Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is your last reminder for the 14-inch doll collab where we're taking the jelly bean soup design dress, this one here, you can do this one if you want, Irene at Irene's Dolly Space and I are doing a collab with a few other people, and we're all making this dress. You make this one if you want. Either one is fine. For a 14-inch doll. I've made this before for one of the reminders or invitations. And I have my pattern pieces all cut out. I think I know what fabric I want to use. It's a cute pattern. And let's see, I did a Welly Wisher last time. I wanted to show you what I found. It was my day at the Savers. I got this, I saw her first and grabbed her up, and then I saw him sitting there. Look at that, they're in their matching twin outfits. $3.49 each. I couldn't believe it. They're in absolute wonderful shape. Now, she does have something on her little outfit, but it is her original outfit. I'm probably on these guys. They're really in good condition. They're missing their shoes. I'm okay with that. I'm thinking I'm just going to brush their hair and put them up with them. I have a big bitty baby collection. Look who I found for $4.99. Now, her legs are a little loose, but not awful. Her wig is in excellent shape. I didn't brush it because I wanted you to see what it looked like. But I think a hairbrush on this girl and she is good to go. Let's see, let's turn her belt around. It looks like it's twisted. I actually had clothes like this in the 70s, including a macrame belt with beads. One of the girls in 6th grade did macrame and she took orders, and I remember I got blue and white, navy blue and white. No shoes. She would have come with platform shoes, but again, original clothes. And then this one, I think Camille was like $3.49. It was $16 and some change when I found those. And actually, Darren found these two, because I was so gobsmacked to find this one and then find this one. She was sitting right there, and I looked right past her, and then Darren picked this one up, and then he really started looking. God love him. I'm going to get her cleaned up, and we're going to make her a little outfit, and you will see her on the 25th of July at 10 a.m. We hope you will join us for this collab. It's really going to be fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.